This is RB Pharma Office by Galant I.D. LDA. Now, they did a beautiful job on this interior space. I really love what they did with this design. And specifically in this video, we're looking at the wood feature wall with the the integrated bench and the integrated lighting. I think it's a really interesting feature, and I'm trying to model something similar in Grasshopper, just for the sake of the exercise, right? And so really what this is it's kind of like an array of these wood pieces, but the spacing is a little bit sporadic. But the script got a little bit out of hand because I was trying to be really specific about how the parameters were working, so that it wouldn't get any pieces overlapping and that the spacing looked appropriate. Check out my IGTV video if you want to see a little bit more about how this script works.